The drive states and needs theories of motivation focused on the content of motivation. In other words, they focus on what's responsible for the variations in behavior. Our textbook describes these theories using the person as machine metaphor because they portray behavior as being systematic and reactionary. Drive states explain variations in behavior in terms of physiological needs. From blood pressure to sex drive, our physiological system functions best when there's a degree of stability. So from the perspective of drive states, our behavior is influenced by the need to maintain that stability. It's a little glib, but our continued human existence is part of the evidence in support of this perspective. Scientists have also conducted research, though, to identify specific systems and the related drives. You might be familiar with Maslow's theory from other classes or from non-academic sources. The underlying idea makes sense. If a person is consistently hungry, it can be hard to think about much of anything else. That fits with the idea of the hierarchy, which says that we will not be able to take action to fulfill a higher level need until lower level needs are met. Research testing a hierarchy of needs hasn't provided support for that idea, though. Findings also create questions about the 5 grouping in Maslow's model. One interpretation of those findings is that Maslow's theory explains how our needs progress in life rather than what influences behavior at a given point in time in our adult lives. Herzberg's 2-factor theory is one response to the lack of support for Maslow's theory. The basic idea is that hygiene needs are the things that contribute to levels of dissatisfaction. So when they aren't met, we aren't satisfied. Motivator needs, in contrast, add to satisfaction as they're met. Unlike Maslow's hierarchy, Herzberg said that needs operate independently, so one implication would be that hygiene needs can counterbalance the benefits of addressing motivator needs. Again, though, the research didn't support the ideas, in part because it wasn't entirely clear what behavior was being predicted or what the related variations were. Drive and need theories suggest that variations in intensity, persistence, quality, and direction of behavior are the result of physiological needs, in the case of drive states, or a combination of physiological and psychological needs. From this perspective, those variations are relatively mechanistic responses. While the effects of drive states are both intuitively and scientifically supported, it's important to note that Maslow's theory and Herzberg's theory are not scientifically supported. Indeed, the authors of the textbook note that they only include Maslow's and Herzberg's theories to provide historical context.